We are Team 15 and we will talk about dynamic transport scheduling. So our persona is here a guy called Juju, 30 years old, guy from SAP Labs, and he is frustrated about various traffic problems. Problems like scheduling, he is not aware of schedules, traffic, and he is also very much concerned about the utilization of public transport resources. Okay, so utilization of public transport resources. So our solution is to give him a two-way solution. One is a client application at his mobile, and other one is the admin solution, which will be taken care by the scheduler, which is normally any like BMTC. So our demo script starts like this. Juju wants to book bus ticket. Juju wants to book the bus ticket from the application, and this application is very nice application. It has feature like voice recognition. It can book bus through the voice itself, and then this all requests, the request including his request and all other requests goes to scheduler, and scheduler has option to there is an algorithm written based on the various dynamic parameter like size of the vehicle, routes, and the timings. So it's basically on-demand solution. On-demand solution means people will request and then there will be scheduling will happen. So scheduler will schedule it. Then Juju will get the notification. Along with that, there would be a vendor which we will get notification for the beverages as well. And finally, Juju gets the confirmation. He will get notification when bus reaches to the bus stop, nearby to the bus stop. So now let's see how Juju does the scheduling. Sorry, booking.
So here is our application iSupport. So the user has to give the username and password, and it will do a login. So here we have a payment gateway. So once the user will click on the buy credit, it will navigate them to payment gateway. They have to give their user detail, then it will buy the credit, and it will process the transaction. Then user can do user can buy the daily pass, monthly pass, and all. So they can give the detail like from, to, time, and fare, everything. And we have a application for speak recognition also. And at the time of login, if the user will select speech translator, then it will translate everything. And the bus number also, it can be the user can also locate the bus using GPS tracker. Thank you.
Now let's see how scheduler will do the scheduling. So Rajat. Yep. So there is already algorithm backend, and we will have just the UI where we will show the how scheduling options will work. So there would be a search option to search the various open requests. So we got all the open requests. Finally, we can see what are different bus stops, what are the numbers of people waiting there. We can see through this histogram, and next we can go ahead and schedule it. So backend scheduling algorithm is executed, it is done. And now we go to schedule. We can see that all the requests are merged into the two vehicles. So we had a set of data. Based on that, we have summarized all the open requests into two vehicles. And we have the map available here where scheduler can go and verify what is the route. And also we have we wanted to include the message notification, but yes, due to time constraint, we didn't do that. And once confirm button is pressed, the notification is sent to the scheduler, to the user.
So basically, all the parameters which we are trying to optimize are utility of the resources and easier for the customer to book tickets. That's good.